In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from one PayPal account to another without encountering the link a new card error. Whether you're new to PayPal or simply navigating some of its quirks, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button. It's usually located in the top right corner. Click on it and this will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your email address associated with your PayPal account and then your password. Finally, click on the Login button again to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the top menu where you should see an option labeled Pay and Get Paid. Click on this and you'll be presented with more options. Look for Send Payment and give it a click. This will start the process of sending money to another user. Now it's time to input the recipient's information. This could be their email address, mobile number, or PayPal username, depending on how they'd prefer to receive the payment. Once you have those details entered correctly, click on Next to proceed. In this step, you'll specify the amount you want to send. Make sure to double check this amount to avoid any mistakes. With the number confirmed, you'll then need to select your payment method. You might have several options, such as from your linked bank account, PayPal balance, or other sources. Choose the one that suits you best. Finally, you will reach the confirmation page. Here, you have the opportunity to review all the details one last time before the transaction is initiated. Pay close attention to the recipient's information, the amount, and your chosen payment method. Once everything looks good, click on Send Payment or simply Send and your money will be on its way. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to transfer money between PayPal accounts without bumping into the link a new card error. Hopefully this tutorial has made the process clearer and you've gained more confidence in handling PayPal transactions. Thanks for tuning in and I hope you found this guide helpful.